Hey guys, god morgon, hejsan, hello world. Having a bit of a cold today, but feeling quite good. We're back home from Kamala after 3 good days with Annika's family and then friends. It was good. Kamala is not what I remember it to be. It is bigger now, it's busier. Though the beach was quite quiet, Easter is over, people are going home. I think I have an eye infection again. So we're going to go back in a few days to see them again before they leave for home, leave for Sweden again. So, but all in all, it was good. It was shopping, it was beach, hotel was nice. I'm gonna do a review on that hotel next time. It was Swiss hotel, not Swiss hotel. It was Swiss hotel without an H. Strangely enough, great pool, great for kids. A lot of kids during Easter when they can get some time off from school. At least in Sweden, you need to have permits and stuff. All in all, it was good. Good food, good drinks, nice shopping. We went to 2 markets. One was in the Kamala market, and the other one was yesterday in Phuket, the weekend market. That is Monday and Friday. I got some new t-shirts, and Annika got a lot of things. That girl loves shopping. There's no plan for today, just chillaxing. Hopefully our closest restaurant is open, maybe get a massage. I would like to have a neck massage. Feeling kind of stiff in my neck, and that would be good. That was Easter for us, sitting by the sea, swimming, having a cold beer, eating good food, being with friends and family. Good times, good times. So I just hope that you will enjoy the video. Here we go. So we got a room on the 4th floor. And why I'm breathing? Because it's on the 4th floor. I had to walk with bags and stuff. That's good. Not bad. The bedroom has a fantastic view. Look at this. Who wouldn't want to be staying here? Amazing view.
Hello.
We have mojitos, vegetables.
Shopping. Yes!
So we found the restaurant. It's called Hi-Ha, and hopefully I can show it on them. Before that, I will not show the toilet. They have a sink and everything. It's not bad, but if you're not used to Thailand, it's gonna be it can be a bit strange. So we're gonna have some eat. We're gonna have something to eat and see if it's good. Ja.
Inget fungerar. Inget fungerar. Fabrikant.
Till och med byxor. Vi får väl hitta en annan då. Kan vi göra det?
And here's the food market.
No photo.
And you know, there's actually a subscribe button below this video, like a thing that you can click on to subscribe. Thumbs up, thumbs down, it's up to you. Thank you very, very much for watching my lovely channel.
Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah,